Hello everyone. So today I am explain class 12 P unit 3 yoga and lifestyle. So first I will highlight the units which you are going to read in this unit. Okay, so first asanas as a preventive measures, obesity, okay, procedures, how to do it, Vajrasan, Hastang Namaskar, Trikonasana and Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Next will be diabetes. For diabetes also there are some precautions, benefits and some asanas. Just like Bhujangasana, Pavan Muktasana, Pakshimot Asana, Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Next will be asthma. For asthma also there are some asanas which will be helpful for asthma. Precautions also will be there. Okay, so just like Sukhasan, Chakrasan, Gomukhasan, Parvatasan, Bhujangasan, Pakshimot Asana, Matsyendra Asanas. Next will be hypertension. Hypertension also will be there are some yogas which will be helpful for hypertension. Just like Tadasan, Vajrasan, Pavan Muktasan, Ardha Chakrasan, Bhujangasan and Shavasana. This will be helpful in hypertension. Next will be a back pain. For back pain also there are some asanas which will be helpful for back pain. Just like Tadasan, Ardha Matsyendra Asana, Vakrasana, Shalbhasan and Bhujangasana. Okay, so first I will explain yoga. What is the yoga? Yoga is a very important in present life. We are very busy from morning till evening. We are not eating properly. We don't have time. So life will be very busy. So now present time yoga will be very helpful for your health and fitness. Yoga can reduce the mental tensions. Okay, and your diabetes problem also can solve and different kind of problem can solve. Meditations will be very helpful in present life. Stressful life will be there, too much stress, so yoga will be helpful. Yoga came from Sanskrit word means which means the union to joints. Yoga is a okay, so there are some definitions. There are two types of definitions. I am going to explain. First, according to the Bhagavad Gita, yoga is the definition as the yoga means yoga is the balance and harmony of the mind. So mind and body both will work together. This according to the Bhagavad Gita. This will be definition. Next definition according to the Swami Digambarji. Swami Digambarji, okay, union of Atma and Paramatma. When your soul will be connected with the God, means you can get the benefits of yoga. This will be a definition of yoga. Okay, so there are two types of definitions. So first asana is to prevent the measures of asanas. What is the asana? Asanas, this will be a sitting positions. As asana is the posture with which partitions of sit on the position. Some asanas are performed just for health purpose. Just flex arms, awareness and concentration. Your concentration also will be good. This will be asanas. Asana is to prevent the measures. Some benefits are there. I am going to explain one by one. Benefits for bones and joints. If you will perform yoga every day, so your bones and joints will become flexible and strong. Blood circulation become normal. Second point, if you will do regular yoga, so your blood circulation will become normal, okay, and smooth nicely. Next, third point, improve your system become strong. Okay, your immune system also will be become strong. Okay, so this will be helpful to your body. Next point is the benefit for respiratory system. Fourth point, your respiratory system also will work nicely, just like Anulom Vilom, Kapal Bharti. So your respiratory system also will work good. Efficiency of excretory system enhance. Okay, excretory system also will work nicely. So different type of acid also cross your body. Waste product also good for your waste project. So this will be fifth point. Next is the sixth point, benefit for muscles. Okay, if you will do proper regular exercise just like Surya Namaskar, so your muscles also will be become strong. So there are 6 points. Again I am going to highlight benefits for bones and joints. Blood circulation become normal. Immune system also become strong. benefits for respiratory systems, efficiency of excretory system, benefits for muscle. So there are 6 points. Okay, so first will be, okay, one by one I will explain obesity. What is the obesity? Obesity you can understand by the name when your fat will be obese, more than 20 BMI. So obesity is a definite the condition of excess body weight and fat. Your body fat will be more if you will take more carbohydrates. Okay, so extra fat will come in your body. So this is because it has been observed that obese, diabetes, hypertension, disease care and blood regular. This will be obesity more than 20 or 24 BMI. Okay, so there are two types of obesity: hypertrophic obesity and hypertrophic. So first, one by one, I will explain. First is a hypertrophic obesity. A person having more than normal number of fat cells. Those who have normal number more than number of cells means that probably hyperplastic obesity. Second point, hypertrophic obesity. A person having more than normal size of cells means hypertension problem will be there. So there are two types. Okay, so causes of obesity: heredity. In the presence of your parents or any kinds of your family members will have this kind of problem, so that person will also feel this problem. Okay, genetic problems will be there. Second point, sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle means if you are sitting to mostly time taking watching TV long time, eating food also during time, that time also you are taking watching TV, not walking, using AC. So sedentary lifestyle problem will come. Endurance gland functions. Your gland function also may be due to the malfunction of certain glands. Thyroid glands play important role of obesity. Okay, mostly women will be facing this kinds of problem. Third point, okay, endocrine gland functions. Okay, fourth point, eating habits. Eating habits which we causes obesity are. So eating is excessive quantity. How much you need, this much you should eat. If you will eat more, okay, so problem will come. So extra fat will come. Okay. Next will be eating carbohydrates rich food. Carbohydrate rich food, if you will take chocolate, potato, sweets, okay, so that time you will face the problem. So eating carbohydrate rich food. Okay. Next point, eating while watching TV. Okay, watching TV time, that time also if you are eating, so you will not know how much you eat at already. So you should not on the TV. Please off the TV and eat nicely. That time your concentration will be in your food only. So reading and watching. Suppose you are reading something and eating something, so this will also not good work. Okay, your obesity will come. Eating while reading and watching TV. Next point, eating junk food. Now present life will be very busy, so junk food will be where noodles, pastry, pizza, burger will be available in the market. Mostly person will like this. So this will be not good. Obesity will come if you will eat more. So avoid the junk food. To explain again, causes of obesity. Why obesity will come? Heredity, sedentary lifestyle, enduring gland functions, eating habits, eating in excessive quantities food, eating carbohydrate rich food, okay, eating while reading and watching TV, eating junk food. So there are some points. Okay, so asanas to cure the obesity. There are some asanas which will cure the obesity. Vajrasana procedures will be there. You can see and learn how to do Vajrasana. I will show the pictures. Pictures will be there. You can see how to do Vajrasana. Many time you did in class. So benefits. There are some benefits. Vajrasana benefits. The body becomes the abdominal S shape, makes the thigh, knee cells strong. Regular practice the deform in the asana. The asanas make the body strong. If you will do regular asanas, your legs will become strong and food will be digested. When you have to do the Vajrasana after eating the food, it is the only asana which can be done to improve the digestive system. The asana is helpful to concentration and meditation pose. You can while doing Vajrasana you can close your eyes, so your mind also will be constant. The asana remove the dehydration, back pain or disease of the chest pain, so this also will be helpful. The asana remove the mental dispersion and the toss of memories. Okay, so this asana remove the mental disappointment and loss of memory, good for your memory. If you do regularly, so your memory also will be sharp. In women do asanas defeat the regarding their menstruation and are removed, so good for menstrual problem also. So there are some benefits of Vajrasana. Okay, so next is the Hasta Asana. Okay, Hasta Asana is a stretching positions. You can see the pictures and do it. So I am going to explain the benefits. Hasta Asana is a very effective practice. Remove the abdominal fat. Extra fat will be controlled. It is a very useful for digestive disorders. If you have any kinds of digestive disorders, so this will be solved. Next point, give a noise stretch to the thigh and muscles. So very helpful for thigh and muscles. Good for a practice to increase the height. Very good benefits. Your height will be increased if you will do regularly Hasta Asana. Increase the stretch of thigh muscles and calf muscles. Okay, and who cannot do this? During the hernia, abdominal infection, this asana should avoid. Next will be a Trikona Asana. Trikona Asana stay in Tad Asana positions. Okay, you can see the picture and do it. I am going to explain benefits. Improve your tongue's flexibility, reduce the obesity. Extra obesity will be controlled because you are okay. Good for your control. Reduce the obesity. How reduce your obesity? Because you are bending upper part, both side. Okay, right from right hand you are touching your toes and left hand will be raising hands. So you have to change the steps. So reduce the obesity. Okay, good for your waist. Cure the acidities. Acidity problem will be controlled. If your obesity will be not there, then automatically acidity problem will be not there. So there are 3 points. Who cannot do this? Who have back pain problem. That person will not do the Trikonasana. Okay, so this will be Trikonasana. Next will be Ardha Matsyendra Asanas. So you can see the pictures and do it. I am going to explain the benefit. Improve your spinal flexibilities. In shapes, the body figure will be maintained. Control the weight and obesities. Back and abdominal muscles are strength and tone ups. Cure the diabetes and arthritis patients. So there are some benefits. Who cannot do this? Who have back pain problems, suffering from ulcers, hernia and several arthritis should not perform these asanas. So this will be a Ardha Matsyendra Asanas. Next will be diabetes. Diabetes is a big problem of India and world. Why diabetes problem will be coming? Taking too much sugars, blood glucose level. Diabetes is the disease in which blood glucose or blood sugar level are too high. So mostly time you are eating too much sugar, okay, sweets, taking too much carbohydrates, not doing exercise, regular yoga. So these kinds of problem will be coming. Diabetes problem, where there is no production of insulin and where the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. So diabetes problem will come. So prevention of diabetes. How you can preventions of diabetes? Avoid the rich. There are some points I am going to detect one by one. Avoid the rich carbohydrate food. Okay. First point, if you will avoid the rich carbohydrate foods, you will not suffering from diabetes. Okay, extra fat will be not there. If extra fat will be controlled, then avoid the rich carbohydrate. So this will be good. Prevent the diabetes. Next will be maintain a healthy weight. You have to maintain the healthy weight. Healthy weight between, okay, BMI will be 18 to 24. So your healthy weight will be there. Otherwise obesity will come. Obesity will come, then automatically diabetes will come. Mostly disease will be coming from the stomach. So you have to take care, maintain a healthy weight. Third point, eat healthy foods. If you will take healthy foods, okay, balanced diet, this also will be good. Maintain. Regular exercise can be related to the sugar level of blood. Okay, at least 5 days you should do regular exercise, 5 or 6 days. So you can avoid the diabetes problem. Reduce the intake of saturated fat. Okay, reduce the intake of saturated fat if you want to provide the diabetes second type stage. So you can control the rest. So there are some points you can prevention of diabetes. Next will be Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana you did many times. Surya Namaskar positions also you did Surya Namaskar. So Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. You can understand by the name Bhujang means cobra positions. You can see the picture and do it. So I am going to explain the benefits. The asana activates the upper organs, the body such as neck, shoulder, chest, mouth and head. Good. For your chest, it makes the whole body beautiful, glowing. Extra fat will be controlled. Acidity problem also will solve. Reduce the obesity. Obesity will be controlled. So diabetes problem will not come. Keep the blood circulation. Blood circulation also will be normal. Level also blood circulation will be normal. Many diseases, constipation problem, indigestion, gas problem also will be solved. So there are some benefits of Bhujangasana. Okay, energy level and agility also will improve. The asana removes the disease, the kidneys and night discharges. So this will be helpful. Who cannot do this? Who have neck problems? Okay, back pain problems. Okay, pregnant women cannot do this. So this will be a Bhujangasana. Next will be a Pakshimottanasana. Procedure will be there. You can see and do it. I am going to explain the benefit. It makes the spinal elastic. It makes the waist slim and steady. Glow come. The mood remain happy. Extra energy will come. Happiness will come. Useful in fitness. Very stiff feet and hip. Blood circulation also will be normal. Okay, anger the remove and mind become peaceful. If you are angry too much, okay, hyper, so this your nature also will be changed if you will do regularly. Prana, okay, a practice of asana is live 30 years by sitting in asana for 3 hours 48 minutes. One enter the trance. So this will be benefits of Pakshimottanasana. Next will be who cannot do this Pakshimottanasana. Painful and illness the live. Okay, who have back pain problem, body problem, so get suggestion from the doctor, then only you do.